Imagine a world where comfort and joy transform into sources of fear and anxiety. This is the reality for those facing cibophobia, the fear of food. Far beyond picky eating, cibophobia is a complex condition that manifests in various forms, from hesitancy to severe avoidance, affecting daily life and well-being. Symptoms vary, with some individuals experiencing intense anxiety at the thought of dining on certain foods, or in extreme cases, any food at all. This fear disrupts not just personal health but also social interactions and mental well-being. Despite its profound impact, cibophobia is often misinterpreted as mere fussiness, leading to isolation and making seeking help difficult. In our journey to understand this phobia, we'll explore its symptoms, effects, and the common misconceptions, setting the stage for a deeper investigation into its causes and triggers in our next segment. Delving into cibophobia's roots, we uncover a multifaceted blend of psychological factors, environmental pressures, and personal experiences. Traumatic events involving food, such as choking or food poisoning, can leave a lasting impact, while societal pressures around dietary expectations further stoke the flames of fear. Additionally, genetic predispositions may heighten susceptibility to food-related anxieties. Personal stories of those suffering from cibophobia illuminate the emotional and psychological turmoil endured, exemplified by the avoidance of social situations out of fear of judgment. Yet, these narratives also kindle understanding and empathy, underscoring that recognizing cibophobia's complex origins is a crucial step towards recovery. As we transition to discussing coping mechanisms and success stories, we remind ourselves that the resilience to overcome cibophobia, though challenged, remains a testament to the human spirit. Our exploration of cibophobia doesn't end in the shadows of struggle but moves towards the light of hope and recovery. Professional interventions, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, have been successful by reshaping negative perceptions of food and using gradual exposure to mitigate fears. Coupled with self-help strategies and support networks, individuals find new strength in their journey towards enjoying meals again. Embedded in this recovery process are inspiring success stories, shining as beacons for those still on their path. These tales not only celebrate triumphs over cibophobia but also highlight the shared experiences and support that pave the way to healing. As we conclude, let these narratives remind us that no one is alone in their battle against the fear of food, and that every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory in the journey towards recovery.